This ain't clean shit, dude. Alright, good morning, my quarantinians. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm with my boy. We were cleaning our visors off. Do you know where we're going today?
No, where are we going?
We're probably going to the quarantine lockdown. We're going straight to San Francisco.
Okay. One hell of a trip. Let's do it.
Yeah, I want to see what it looks like out there. I want to see if it's actually like quarantine or is it people walking around. Because I'm going to give out free high fives to everyone. Yeah, my bike is filthy. I usually clean it every couple months. You ever shit about bicycles? Oh man. He's on a booster, he's way faster than me. So today is coronavirus video 2, I guess you could call it. But just to quickly tell you guys where we're going and a little backstory. But first and foremost, I hope everyone's staying safe, staying healthy. I know a lot of people are literally just staying inside. I for one can't stay inside. I start pacing all over my house. So I just figured, you know what, I'm gonna get out on a bike. We finally have nice weather. It's been raining for 2 weeks. I got my boy I work with, he's with me. He's like, yo, let's just ride out, dude. So I'm like, alright, cool. So we are in our way, hold on. Let me reel this conversation back real quick. We are on our way to San Francisco. And I wasn't planning on going to San Francisco as like my next moto vlog. But when all this started happening, and then Governor Newsom put a full lockdown and SIP, or shelter in place, for all those that don't know what it is. Now, if you guys aren't aware, shelter in place is not martial law. It is completely different. Shelter in place just means just that. You shelter in place. Wherever you are, you stay there. There's no one forcefully holding you at your house, like martial law would do. There's no military roaming the highways, as you see. There's no cops stopping you from roaming the highways, as you can see. So it's not martial law. So if you guys aren't aware of what martial law and shelter in place is, that's pretty much the short. But I'm kind of curious to see how San Francisco looks and see if people are actually physically out and about. No cash. Check mail for bill. Wow, that's dope. So that means he can get off and he'll just get a regular toll price. Huh. I tried to have him go through that one. Because if he goes through the fast track, it takes a picture of your plate, so I don't know if he'll get the bill. Nope, still 6. Yeah, there's not much people out today. Wash your hands, wash your ass, wash both of them at the same time. Yeah, it's crazy. It's usually traffic through here too. Nothing. I still foresee a good amount of people on the streets. Everybody got their masks on.
I said I need new tires. Holy shit.
You were sliding?
Yeah. I went into one of those curves and that motherfucker just said,
hey, we should tell them not to hold hands. Yeah, this place is a ghost town, man. Yeah, this is crazy. Oh. The only reason why they rev bomb was because he had a puppy with them. That's the only reason. Normally there would be a lot more people like kind of walking up on the side and cars and shit like that, but there is absolutely nothing. I mean, you got people jaywalking. People never jaywalking in San Francisco. So this quarantine or lockdown of San Francisco, it's honestly pretty serious. I mean, there's still people out and about. You got a lot of motorcyclists out too. Man, trying to tell me to wheelie. Even if I knew how to wheelie, I wouldn't wheelie on this road. And I know a lot of people there, they kind of think that I don't take it serious. I do take this serious, but like I said, I can't sit around doing nothing, man. I have got to be out and about. I want to see what the wharf is, so we're going to go down here, hang a left, and see if who's actually walking around on the pier. More than likely, it's going to be a good amount of people. Did he stall? Oh god, I didn't even have to do anything. I want to get a picture with the bike. Someone's smoking weed. Ugh. Hate that smell. Is there another color to this light? I'm not gonna sit at a light that long.
Should've let me hit the other one.
Man, I wasn't about to sit there at that light that long. This girl's getting it. Run faster. Chop, chop. Ah, come on, man. You f***ing bicycles. Aren't they supposed to follow the laws? I think they are. The hell is she doing? This is why I hate bicycles. I'm gonna try to block them in next time. We're gonna go right next to the cop. As long as you go to speed limit, right? They can't do anything. I don't even know what the speed limit is. 25? Yeah, this is like... This is crazy. Like, no buses over here. This is crazy, man. It's crazy how this virus literally shut down countries. I mean, for good reason, obviously, but... Yeah, I mean, look, this is all empty. If you watched any of my other videos, of me coming down here, this place is usually mobbed with people. Okay, let's go. I just wanted to make sure the cop wasn't behind me. I'm gonna go park up here real quick. No motor vehicles. Unless you're me. See how quickly it takes us to get kicked out.
12 seconds later.
Stopping for a couple of minutes?
Yeah, we're just... Okay. Yeah. I thought she was going to kick us out right then and there. I'm just like, really? Are we that in a way? I mean... Yeah. I'd go up to everyone and be like, hey, am I bothering you with my bike being here? Like... Bro, it's crazy how dead this city is. There is absolutely nobody. Except for bicycles. Can't stop them. You will never stop them. Got some quarantine pictures.
For real, boy. Them boys got me so drawn right now down on everything last night. Boy, I'm like, well, I know it was one of them, but this and that makes me so it makes me.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah, that's for real, G. Well, I can't wait on that exception to come along, shoot that motherfucker straight. Now, I might fool around, go through the bag that I rented in, around there, the poker.
We just had to drown him out real quick. That man is tripping, bro. I wish I would have gotten all that on film. And I started my GoPro way too late. Oh, where the f am I going? He's like, yo, I'm about to, he's just like, oh, you don't know him? About to put you on the wall. I was waiting, dude. You're like, oh, word? When I was like, this man's talking about going to Costa Rica and I'm just like, what is this? And then that's when I knew. I was like, yo, this man's tripping off something. How much can I get for a cigarette? You know what I would have told him? I'm like, yo, this day and age, about $2,000, man. You can have a cigarette.
It's a quick dollar.
My man did take his money too. You took his money?
Take a dollar.
This man, yo, so this dude, this I don't know who that guy was, but he was like talking about putting him up against a wall. And then he wanted a cigarette. My man took his dollar. Said, he's just like, hey, how much can I get for a cigarette? This man got $1. Man, talk about going to Germany. You know, so-and-so. I'm just like, you know what you should have said? Oh, yeah, I do know him. Yeah, he passed away. Some hooker killed him. Oops. There's still plenty of people out this area. They don't care. Gonna go ahead and assume that there's no bathroom here. Maybe up there, that thing. I don't think this place is open either. Oh, look at the little puppy. Uh-oh. Oh, he's barking at me. Oh, sweet music to my ears. You gotta love it. Let's hear it, bro. Let's hear it eat. Gotta love it. You gotta love it. Hey, you gotta let the bikes eat a little bit. You know, they get hungry. Oh, fuck. You're supposed to be over there. Ball City. Well, I'm gonna have to loop back around. I hope he's not following me. I think he is. This trip's gonna cost us like $20 just in tolls. You know, there comes a time in every boy's life when he just needs to get his navigation straight. Out of the way, bicycles. Real bikes coming through. Move.
Eventually.
We're probably gonna end up lost. Take a right onto Merchant. Where's Merchant? Merchant. Good. Struggle. I'm gonna go back through the city. Find a little more people. Maybe we can get some high fives. Yeah, Boosas. Always holding the crowd up. Gotta wait for Boosas because they can't make turns. I saw a meme the other day and it said, remember when you used to cover up a fart with a cough? Now you're covering up coughs with farts. Well, if you guys want to avoid large crowds, come to San Francisco. Well, this doesn't look very safe at all. Alright, I almost hit a big ass hole through here somewhere. There it was. It's weird. It's different. Not actually having a video full of lane splitting and shit. Oh, I don't know if he's gonna be able to fit through that. Let's see if he can. How to leave a Busa lane split and turn. if you guys made it this far, you guys are the real MVPs, because I thought more would happen, and I was wrong. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I apologize for not posting a video in probably, I think, 3 or 4 weeks or so. With this whole coronavirus stuff, we've been very, very busy on base, so I haven't really had a chance to even do anything. So with that, if you guys aren't already doing so, hit that subscribe button for this channel. Swing over to my second channel, hit that subscribe button there, because there is a lot more videos that's going to be happening on that channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys are aware when I upload a new video. And as always, you guys already know what to do. I need all y'all to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated, all your life's goals. Always remember, success never comes easy. You guys gotta work your ass off for it. Be sure to conserve your toilet paper, people. Your boy Machine here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.
Too many thoughts in my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. Killing the game and I gotta go ask anybody, they all heard of